create Rafter. Go to the View tab, then go to View List, select here Grid A. Double click this one, Grid A will open. Here it is Grid A. Now we need to create Rafter here. Go to the PDF, you can see here we used Rafter for tapered section. Tapered section you can see here, this section I used. Now I just go to Tekla structure, then go to the steel, select here beam, then go to the properties, steel beam properties, make it here Rafter, then go to profile. You will get a lot of profiles. In that we will take, if you go here you can see few profile, you will get it. In that which one you want you can select. We will select this tapered section, then we will customize how we want. Double click this one, you will get it like this. Now go to the PDF, you can see here 500, 800, and first one is 500, next one is 800, and this all the things I just keep as it is. This means height 1 and height 2, then this is the thickness of web, and here it is thickness of two side flange, and this is flange width. So this is the things. Now go to the Tekla structure, other all the thing keep as it is. Which material you want you can select the material, and color also you can change which class you want, you can select the color. Then here it is Rafter, so I just make it here. This is the height section. If you want you can differentiate tapered height section, so you can make it HT. Next here it is assembly. Now I just make it here R of for Rafter. Other all the thing keep as it is now. Then click this middle point, then place it like that. You can see the length, this one length 7000. So just place it like this. Before that you have to switch on this nearest point. You can place it like this 7000. Type 7000 in your keyboard, then enter. Here it is placed. Now select this one, right click, go to the move command, click this portion and place it this point. Because if you go to the PDF you can see here the higher side we need it here, lower side we need it here and here. Now just go to the Tekla structure. Next select this one, go to the rotation, make it 180, then enter. Then go to the on plane, make it to left, then enter. You will get it like this. Now select this one, go to the view, then go to the work plane parallel to view plane. Now just click outside, it will place like this X and Y. Next select this one, right click, move special and move rotate. Just click this location, make it -5 because we need to rotate clockwise direction. So just make it here -5, then move. Here it is rotated 5 degree. Now go to the edit tab, then go to measure angle, click this point and click this point, and if you measure this one you will get it 5 degree. If you go to here it is 5 degree both. Go to the Tekla structure, we need it same thing this side also, and this side also we need to make. For that just go to edit and go to construction line. Now I just click this first point, next point, you will get it like this construction line. Double click this one, you can change the properties. I change this one, make it 2500, so you will get a little bit more. I just make it here 4500, so it will come up to here. Now just go to steel, go to the beam, other all the thing keep as it is. After properties, click the first point, and click that next point. Next point you can place it. Press Ctrl 1. You can see very clearly. You can place it. Click this one. It is for intersection. Now so you will get it intersection point. So now here it is placed like this. We can rotate that one. So select this one, make it 180, then enter, you will get it perfectly. If you go to the PDF, you can see here it is placed perfectly. So we need to mirror copy other two things also. Now go to the Tekla structure, select this one, right click, copy, mirror, click this point and click this midpoint exactly, then copy. So here it is placed. So next lecture we need to create the connection. So this is the way you can create Rafter frame in Tekla structure. Thank you so much.